Good morning, children. In the previous class, we discussed about food and digestion. There, I discussed our food must also contain roughage and water. Let us discuss that now in detail. Let me share the screen first. Yeah, just a second, children. Yeah. Roughage helps with digestive issues such as constipation. It plays other important roles. Example, roughage from plants foods helping in managing our weight and even reduce risk of heart disease. As we discussed, water is also very much essential to our body. 75% of body is covered with water. Water helps the body to dissolve, digest and absorb food that we eat. Water helps in proper excretion of waste material from our body. We need to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. Moving further, let me discuss about balanced diet. Food that we eat daily is called our diet. Diet that contains all the necessary nutrients along with water and roughage is in balanced proportion. Let me discuss now about healthy eating habits. Eat your meals in healthy environment. Eat at regular intervals of time. Chew food well before swallowing. Consume 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Consume lots of vegetables and fruits. Avoid overeating. Avoid eating food that contains too much fat and sugar. Now, let me start my discussion with digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is the process of breakdown of large food molecules into smaller food soluble food molecules. Our digestion starts from a part called mouth, and then it moves in an esophagus, then it moves to stomach, then to small intestine, then to large intestine, then to rectum. Rectum is the last part of the digestive system. Let me discuss that in detail. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. Chewing grinds and crushes food and mixes it with saliva, which breaks down carbohydrate to simple forms. Moving to esophagus, it's a long tube-like flexible structure which carries food from mouth to stomach. Which carries food from mouth to stomach. Stomach is a muscular bag in which Stomach is a muscular bag in which food is churned and mixed with digestive juices. The juices help in breaking down proteins. There are two juices which is produced here. One is pancreatic juice which is produced by pancreas and another one is bile juice which is produced by liver. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. This digestive juice enters the small intestine and helps in digesting the remaining carbohydrates and proteins. Whereas liver produces bile juice which is stored in the gallbladder. Bile stored in gallbladder enters the small intestine and helps in breaking down fats and oils into simpler digestible forms. Coming to small intestine, carbohydrates, proteins and fats are digested here. Absorption of vitamins and minerals also takes place. The blood flowing in the network of blood capillaries in the wall of the small intestine absorb these nutrients and carries them to different parts of the body. Next, it moves to large intestine. It absorbs water from the undigested food and forms semi-solid waste. This semi-solid waste is stored here in the sense in the rectum for a short time. Then the undigested semi-solid food is passed out through anus. The entire chart, have a look on the entire chart here. This is all about the digestive system where it starts from mouth and it comes out, the undigested semi-solid waste, it is coming out through anus. Thank you, children.